Sloth bears have shaggy, dusty black coats, pale, short-haired muzzles, and long, curved claws which they use to excavate termites and ants. A cream-colored V or Y shape usually marks their chests. Their shaggy fur does not have an undercoat, so it keeps them relatively cool in their native warm climate and protects them from tropical insects. Sloth bears' nostrils can close completely, protecting the animals from dust or insects when raiding termite nests or beehives. They have a keen sense of smell, as well as near sight similar to that of humans. Bears grow 5 to 6 feet 1.5 to 2 meters long, stand 2 to 3 feet 0.5 to 1 meters high at the shoulder, and weigh, on average, 200 to 300 pounds 90 to 140 kilograms. As animals who consume termites and ants, sloth bears are considered myrmecophagous. When trees are in fruit, usually during the monsoon season, sloth bears dine on mango, fig, ebony and other fruits, as well as on flowers. In India, sloth bears breed in late spring to early summer. In Sri Lanka, however, there is no seasonality to sloth bear breeding. Mating occurs over several days to weeks. The sloth bear population is declining across their distribution range due to habitat degradation, habitat loss, and facing conflicts with humans. These threats are expected to accelerate with increasing urbanization and demand for natural resources. Sloth bears are noisy, busy animals. They grunt and snort as they pull down branches to get fruit, dig for termites and ants, or snuffle under debris for grubs and beetles. If threatened, they will stand on two legs, brandishing their clawed forepaws as weapons. Their large canines are used for defense against tigers. Other potential predators include jackals, wild dogs, wolves, leopards, and other Asian bear species. These bears adapt their sleep-wake cycle to their environment and may be on a nocturnal, diurnal, or crepuscular schedule, depending on how many other bears, people, or predators share their habitat. In protected areas, for example, sloth bears may be more active during the day. Sloth bears are typically active for about 8 to 14 hours each day, and they do not hibernate. At the zoo, they tend to keep a crepuscular schedule, meaning they are active in both the morning and evening, but sleep midday and overnight. Sloth bears are considered solitary, although they are occasionally seen in groups when resources are plentiful. Sloth bears live in a variety of dry and moist forests, and in some tall grasslands, where boulders, scattered shrubs and trees provide shelter. Their range includes India, Sri Lanka, and southern Nepal. Historically, sloth bears have also been reported in Bangladesh and Bhutan, but it is unclear whether sloth bears are still present in the wild of these countries. They are currently considered extirpated, or no longer present, in Bangladesh, and may also be absent from Bhutan. Unlike many other bears, sloth bears don't hibernate and adapt their activity patterns based on their surroundings being nocturnal and busy human areas, but more diurnal and safer, protected zones. One unique behavior is that mothers carry their cubs on their backs, which is rare among bear species. They don't follow a strict sleep schedule, and may be active at night, during the day, or at dawn and dusk, depending on how much human activity or predator presence there is in the area. Sloth bears are truly unique among bear species, with behaviors and lifestyles shaped by their environment and the challenges they face. From their unusual habit of mothers carrying cubs on their backs, to their flexible sleep patterns and year-round activity, these bears have adapted in remarkable ways. Despite their resilience, sloth bears are increasingly at risk due to habitat loss and human conflict, making conservation efforts more important than ever to ensure their survival in the wild.